Coffee strong, boots by the door. I work all week.
The tune is absolutely perfect. Obviously, I will not be able to fly like heads.
Let me explain something. You are never, ever, 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 ever going to fly like heads. While you're here, listen to me talk. He's either A, out in the field spinning props, or B, in front of a screen whooping in a sim while you're here doing neither. Therefore, you will never, ever, 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 ever fly like heads.
Yeah, I'm going to need 1337 and Shoot FPV banned immediately from chat, please. Thank you. You guys are ridiculous.
Best 75mm drone of 2026. Yes, 100%. It's coming. You better get ready for this. Here it is. Robot Lady Edition. Fractal 75 Bind and Fly by Fractal Engineering and Infinity Loops. This is the HDZero whoop review. This thing ruined other whoops. 90%ers know about it. You might want to look away if you get offended by tiny whoops that just whoop other tiny whoops. This is not only for the 90%ers, this is for the people who say they're done flying for the night and then immediately grab another battery like an addict who just wants one more pack. Some can relate. I've had this drone for 7 months, and every single time I get some batteries underneath her, it's just so much fun, honestly, unreal. And I've flown way too many tiny whoops. HDZero, analog, plastic BNFs. Trust me, this one's fire. Let me say this very clearly. When I ordered this drone, I did not tell them I was going to review it. They didn't know. They didn't extra QC it, you know, that quality control. They didn't send a magical YouTuber unit. Some companies send reviewers drones that have been flown by NASA, tuned by angels, kissed gently on the motors. This is exactly what consumers like you get. And I have to admit, the craftsmanship is amazing. This thing showed up like, yeah, this is what we do. Light, beautiful blue, sparkly carbon fiber, wonky nips. Incredible. And just the color combination. It's like it's an art piece. I'm wondering, is there a reason it's not in the Louvre or what's the one in New York? I was there, I forgot, but the Met? Yeah, the Met. Why does this drone hit differently? This is the drone you need. This drone has the best flight characteristics, the best feeling, the most enjoyment, the most excitement, the most strength. I'm still actively looking for things I don't like about this drone, and I am not finding them. The tune is absolutely perfect. Obviously, I will not be able to fly like heads.
You are never, ever, 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 ever gonna fly like heads from Infinity Loops.
Nor will I maybe ever be able to fly like him, but
You're not gonna fly like heads. Hopefully you lose receiver signal over the talus tree in whichever city you're in.
his tune is just absolutely perfect, and it actually taught me a new way to fly because I did not use my tune. I gravitated towards what he's using, and I'm still not as talented as he is. If I had to make one change, and this is nitpicking,
I will drain you after a long day of flying on the sticks, make your eyelids feel like they're 500 pounds each. Do not say. I drain you after a long back massage, make your eyelids feel like they're 500 pounds each. Don't test me in 1337 plans. I love you.
I might choose the analog version instead of the HDZero. And why?
Range and penetration? Ha 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 ha. I don't think you need to go for anal. Log. You have plenty of range and penetration already, honey.
Mostly because of range and penetration. I'm guessing. I haven't really done a side-by-side comparison, but that's it. That's the complaint. That's like saying, yeah, she's perfect, but sometimes she steals the blankets. Let's talk about Quicksilver and the signature drone moment. So this was also my first time flying Quicksilver. And this is why it's better to get a signature drone rather than just a random bind and fly from a random website from any of those makers. They tune it for how you actually fly. Freestyle, racing, not one tune fits all. This one is for freestyle, and it just makes you operate on the sticks a little differently, knowing that heads can do all those tricks that we see him do all the time. And I have the same tune, and I 100% cannot do it like a 90%er. So this is not fast food. This is a meal someone cared about. They took their time and prepared it with love. And listen, if you do not like Robot Lady from Fractal Engineering, I genuinely wonder who incorrectly tickled your taste buds. Like, who hurt you? Who gave you that unseasoned FPV? This is the declaration. It's the best of class. This is the best 1S FPV drone of 2026. My favorite, Tiny Whoop, full stop.